Hi, to stop background running apps on your Vivo V40, we would need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen first to trigger the drawer. And here, just switch to the widgets tab and you will see this option for the widget, which is cleanup. So select it, and as you can see, this widget close apps and clean up junk to improve phone performance with one tap. So let's add this widget, and here it is. We just need to tap it, agree with the permission, and now let's tap it again and it is cleaning. So now it is clear junk, and that's it, how it works. As you can see, it cleared all of my recents and it cleared all of the junk files and stopped background running apps. So after that, you can also remove the widget if you just press and hold it and select the option to remove. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.